Hello everybody and welcome back to another episode of Live or Diecast. That's right, this is Wheel Swap Wednesday. We're going to be working on the 55 Triassic 5 Gasser. We're going to be doing a wheel swap. We're going to put some details on the base, probably put some taillight details on it, some headlight details. And this, I have a special person in mind. This will be going to Ivan over at 55 Gasser. He has won the drawing for the traveling diecast car, so I'm going to build him a little custom and send it to him in the package. So stay tuned, stick around, let's see what we can get this to look like. We're going to do a wheel swap, put some details on it, and see if we can't make an improvement on this casting that already is awesome. See if we can make it a bit cooler. Alright, we've got them drilled out. Let's see if we can get it separated here. We'll set this off to the side. And let's get our wheels extracted from this plastic base. Remember, be careful, let's not break off the plastic tabs because we are going to use those to help us hold the new wheel and axle assembly in place. Alright, got those out of there. We're going to set this to the side. We're going to do some detail work on that base. Probably not a lot. I've learned that less is more. So we'll do some small details on the base. We'll do some headlight, taillight details. But right now we are going to get our wheel donor, which is the 70s Ninja Turtle van. I absolutely love these wheels, especially on the Gassers. I did a green one and sent it off, gave it to one of my diecast friends, and it looked really good. And I think these chrome wheels are going to look really good on this purple pink Gasser as well. We'll get it together, we'll get it back in the package, we'll put it in a protector case, we'll sign it, and we'll get that sent off to Ivan, and hopefully he is grateful to put that in his collection, and he will be happy with the custom that I have made him. So we'll be back, we'll get our wheels off of this, and we'll be back and we'll get them on the 55 Gasser, so stay tuned. Alright Ivan, here it is. Got the wheel swap done. Did some details in the engine, probably do a little bit more there. Got some details underneath. Did the tail lights, license plate. We did the gas tank, we did the headlights, and I think this thing is sick. Check it out. What do you think? That pink on those chrome wheels looks killer. It is a roller. We'll get it put back in the package. We'll get it in a Protecto case, of course, by Sterling Protector case, the only cases used over here at Live or Diecast. As always, I want to thank everybody for watching my videos, commenting, and interacting. Congratulations, Ivan, on winning the traveling diecast car and a custom 55 Gasser from Live or Diecast. Remember, friendliness is free. We all have a purpose. You all have a wonderful day. Peace from Missouri.